Hi, I'm Aaron and I'm in the kitchen, and today I am making double chocolate chunk cookies. Simple, quick, easy. Let's get into it. First thing going into our bowl is 33 grams of Dutch processed cocoa powder. Amateur move, I forgot to turn on my scale. All right. I'm not necessarily worried about cocoa rocks in this particular recipe because it's pretty wet, so it'll have a chance to mix out. Next, going in with 120 grams of all-purpose flour. More of our dry ingredients, we have half a teaspoon of sea salt, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 whole tablespoon of cornstarch. Why do I have cornstarch in the cookie? If you like that gooey bakery style cookie that stays soft after you bake it, one of the secrets is cornstarch, and that's why I always add them into my cookies. I'm not a super fan of crunchy cookies, but I am a fan of gooey cookies. Going in today with only 66 grams of sugar. The brown sugar is king today. We are going in with 110 grams of brown sugar. Next, going in with our maple syrup. .45 grams of maple syrup, and now our brown butter. Going in with 113 grams of brown butter. Going in with our chocolate, 100 grams of chocolate, 2 unborn chickens. All right. Now we're gonna give everything a good mix. Today I am not using the stand mixer, I'm using a hand mixer. I feel like more people have a hand mixer, so I'm using that. This recipe can also be done by hand. It comes together really, really quickly, as you can see. All right. Gonna taste this. Yeah. If you want to enhance the chocolate flavor even more, I would add like half a cup of coffee to this. But for me, this is perfectly fine. This is great. Gonna stop licking that. Nobody's paying me to do that. Anyway, so I'm going to use a large cookie scoop, not an ice cream scoop, cookie scoop. An ice cream scoop is gonna give you about 4 ounces. I'm using about a 2-ounce cookie scoop, and that should give me about 10 cookies. Cookie scoop. And this recipe you do have to freeze. You can't just pop it straight into the oven. So I'm gonna freeze my cookies, and then I will pop them in the oven, and I'll come back with the taste.
Okay.
We are back with the results of this delicious, gooey cookie. And I'm so excited. It is very gooey, very, very gooey. It is so moist and so gooey. I don't know, let's test the cameraman skills. Can you see the shine on that?
Yeah, it's very shiny.
Yeah, it's delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed what you saw. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you all next time. Ciao. Damn, that's good. Cookie scoop. Cookie scoop.